are some key highlights of why AEM Zero Emissions SolarTechTRU has been setting a standard for the cold chain transportation industry when it comes to zero emissions, safety, performance, efficiency, and ROI. The SolarTechTRU represents breakthrough technology that has achieved zero emissions, single temp, and multi-temp refrigeration for cold chain reefer trailers. The SolarTechTRU has also eliminated range anxiety, the need for diesel fuel, and the dangers of high voltage electrocution incidents and regulations because it operates on low voltage DC power. AEM innovative zero emissions reefer power systems have been tested and tortured for more than a decade through actual on-road deliveries for some of the biggest cold chain brands in the country, proving its viability as a zero-emissions power system that can reliably deliver on practically any refrigerated trailer's mission. Trailers ideally between 28-foot and 53-foot. AEM also offers an AI-based automatic charging system that is proprietary and protected. This has eliminated incidents of human error such as plug-in oversights and electrocutions. The SolarTechTRU is American engineered and American made, and its proprietary technology also makes for an ideal microgrid. AEM's microgrids are low voltage DC, and their microgrids leverage the transformer cabinets and the trailers. These microgrids offset a major expense line item for its customers. Plus, when customers partner with Advanced Energy Machines, also known as AEM, they're getting the market's most innovative engineers and commercialization specialists who are able to future-proof a fleet's ever-changing emissions and safety requirements. AEM's SolarTechTRU systems work completely independent of any other pieces of its customers' zero emissions puzzle, such as electric tractors. It doesn't require power from other systems you may have running in your zero emissions ecosystem, and the SolarTechTRU is customized to each of your reefer's missions, and it has proven its ability to power each part of our customers' reefers each day without the need for any plugins. These proprietary safety features and the fact they've achieved zero emissions earns our customers ongoing ESG, carbon reduction, and safety credits. Credits such as WARE in California have been offsetting fees in the range of $25,000 per TRU per year. It's the gift that keeps on giving. The SolarTechTRU is truly breakthrough, and data shows it's setting a new standard of performance, reliability, zero emissions, and safety for cold chain transportation. Between everything we just mentioned and the fact that AEM manages all its own maintenance and offers attractive leasing and financing terms, major risks and expense line items disappear from their customers' balance sheet. This supports AEM's mission that going green doesn't mean you need to go broke. Visit AEM.Green to learn more and get in touch.